So today we'll do customization of the grids. So first, by default grid, suppose let me take x is equal to np dot line space from 0 to 10. I consider some 100 values. Y is equal to np dot sine of x. Whatever x values I am considering, those x values, I am considering sine of those x values as y values. Figure comma axis plt dot subplots. Figure size is 9 in length and 4 in width. Plt dot plot x comma y. Ax dot grid. I wanted to make a grid by default grid. So default grid is something it says as true. Ax dot set title. I say grid plot and I say plot show. This is by default one grid we are just generating. Suppose for the same thing, suppose I say plt dot scatter. It gives the scatter plot. Okay. Now, suppose if I say in place of grid, I am doing the customization. I say after true, I give the line style as dash dot, comma, line width is equal to, I give 1. I do the customization of the color as red, comma, alpha is equal to 0.9. The background lines gets customized. Now, if suppose I say if I give the grid, so in generally I give the grid as true, but I consider ax dot minor ticks underscore on. See, till now whatever we are having the major ticks only. I am owning the minor ticks. Ax dot grid for that minor ticks. So which is equal to, I consider minor, comma, line style is equal to dot dot I want, so I give the colon over here, comma, line width is equal to 0.5. I give the color as red, comma, alpha is equal to 0.5. You get the minor lines also. Next, I consider x comma y. Plt dot subplots. Figure size is equal to 9, 4. Plt dot scatter. I consider x comma y. Plt dot x ticks. Np dot a range 0, 1, 0.1 as the step. Similarly, the same thing will be the y-ticks also. PLT dot title. Manual grids. For PT in np dot arrange 0, 1, 0.2 as a step, plot dot ax v line, that means vertical line, point pt point, line width is equal to 0.5, comma, color is yellow, comma, alpha is equal to 0.5, plt dot show. So you can see the yellow lines over here. One point zero. Let me just compress this to 7 rather than considering sine x power 2. Arrange 0, 1 with step 0.05. You get the lines over here, yellow lines. Yellow is something which we can't see in a perfect way. Cyan color. You get the customized lines at the back. Now, we are doing the vertical line, no? If I want the horizontal line, PLT dot figure. Figure size is equal to 7, 4. X is equal to np dot line space minus 10 till 10. I wanted to consider some 50 values. Y is equal to np dot whatever x values I am considering the sign of those values. So plt dot a x h line, that means horizontal line, at y equal to 0, color is equal to, I consider some green color, comma, line style is equal to, I consider dash dash line, comma, label is equal to, at y equal to 0 kada I am ichchedi. So y equal to 0 line. You can give like this also the names. plt dot plot x comma y comma c is equal to red comma line width is equal to 5 comma line style is equal to dash dot. Even in this way also I can give comma label is equal to sign. Plt dot grid. I don't want grid, so false. Plt dot axis. I don't want axis also, so I off the axis. Plt dot legend, because I keep some labels over there, so legend is something which I want. Plt dot show. So line width I change so that you would be getting little lighter way. So I wanted to just draw two subplots. For each and everything, I want separate grids. First, I consider x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Some 9 values I consider. Similarly, I consider y is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Y values I consider. Figure is equal to plt dot figure, figure size. Figure dot, I wanted to set the size in inches, 30 in length, 10 in width. AX1 is equal to figure dot add underscore subplots 211. That means divide the image into two things. This should be in first row. AX2 is equal to figure dot add underscore subplots 212. In two image in the row, it should be in the second image. Now I wanted to plot this data on the subplots. So AX1 dot plot considering x comma marker is equal to, I give some dot comma color is equal to, I give M pink color comma I give label is equal to, it should be in first row. AX2 dot bar range of length of x comma x comma color is equal to B. B for blue. Or else I can just mention blue. Comma alpha is equal to 0.5 ax1 dot grid. Similarly, ax2 dot also grid. plt dot show. You get both the graphs. This is customization of the grids. Each and every grid, as per your convenient, we can customize it. Or else if you wanted to draw multiple plots and multiple different things, see from PyLab import, if you wanted to import all, you can just do import star. X is equal to line space minus 3 to 3. We consider some 30 values. Y is equal to x power 2, whatever x values you consider power. Plot x comma, I consider sine of x. Plot x comma cos of x. I want it should be in red color, dashed line. Plot x comma tan of x, green color. This is the solid line, this is the dashed line. Just show. Even in simply also you can do it like this. All the three lines. We have done multiple plots also, no? So we did the bar plot and all on the other day, but that's it. Majority all the plots we have done. We didn't do the customization of the colors on the bars, right? Twin axis we have done. Suppose I say comma color is equal to sky blue. For the same bar, if I just want to change the color, you can directly do it like this. Or else what you can do is, you can just give, if you want multiple colors, 4 things were there, no? Color. In this, you give the square braces, sky blue, pink, orange, yellow. 4 bars are there. For 4 bars, you are doing the customization. 4 colors in the list format you have to give. So in this way, you can do the customizations of the bar graph. Suppose for the histograms we have considered with some data.
Laptop bag lo
Data is equal to np dot random dot rand n, some 1000 values I'm considering. plt dot histogram should be plotted considering the data, considering bins are basically categories. I give 30, comma density is equal to true, comma color is basically red, comma edge color is equal to blue, comma alpha is basically 0.6. See, I'm not giving any of the x-axis, y-axis. So as I want 30, when you are considering randomly, it prints the new style of a graph. Suppose if I just add something in this only, comma cumulative is equal to true, you would be getting in the ascending pattern. Got it? So these are the customizations of the histogram. We did the explode of the graph also. When coming to the pie chart, we have done the pie chart. Suppose if I wanted to change the colors, I say colors is equal to can blue, yellow, magenta. 4 things I have, so 4 things. So here, when I am just giving hours, comma, colors is equal to CVLS. The customized colors got printed over here also on pi. Mm. Even on the box plot, as I have this multiple box plots, let me consider this. So after box plot, plt dot box plot, comma, vert is equal to false. You will get it horizontally. If suppose I say, comma, NOTCH, notch, is equal to true. You get ribbon kind of a things over here. Suppose if I say notch is true, you get last gets twisted. So those kind of things you can see over here. Suppose if I say for this, patch underscore artist, because that should be filled in the graph, true, comma, box props is equal to, in the dictionary format, face color is equal to sky blue. You get the complete box plot gets filled. So these are some customizations of the graphs that we have done earlier. We didn't do any of the color customizations in the previous part. Now we are doing the color customizations also. ఇంకా ఏమున్నాయి? That's it. See, generally for the error bar or stair plots, we won't like generally change the colors. It would be by default printed in the way. If you wanted to change the color for the error bar or something, error bar. Here only in the plot only you can give the color. Comma. Color is equal to red. You get that in that way you can change the color. So in this way, we change the color customizations of few graphs, not all, few things can be changed. Got it? With this, we are done with Matplotlib. So on Monday, we will be starting with Seaborn. Yeah, C1 doesn't take that good amount of time. C1 is easier when compared to Matplotlib. It's a value added on Matplotlib and top up on Matplotlib wherever good amount of customizations which we can't do on Matplotlib, we can do it using C1. Fine. This is the thing.